Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kunwar from Kunwarlab.com. Today in this Excel series, I'm going to show you how you can easily interpret big data in Excel by using the simple data entry form. This is very useful feature in Excel and this is gonna be very useful for you. That's why you have to learn this. Please watch this video till the end to understand all these features. If you feel any confusion there where to use this and how to use this, then let's go and understand with the example. So think you have to enter the very big data of the personal information of the peoples, and you have to enter the 100 or 200 peoples there, and the personal information to be entered is very long. Likewise, you have to enter the personal name, the address, the country name, the age. Likewise, you have to enter the lots of other 10 to 15 data over there, then your data become very big. Then you have to enter all these things like one by one, and the big data becomes very large and you feel very boring to enter all these things. Then you have to use these things, you have to use the data entry form. You don't have to go likewise and enter all these things over there. You just have to open the data entry form and you have to enter the data over there, and your data will be placed directly over there and your data will be managed. So let's have a look at the example. Okay, first of all open the Excel, and here you will find the data entry function over here. That's why first of all we have to make this data entry form available on the custom ribbon. So for that, go to file and go to option which is at the last, and go to custom ribbon, customize ribbon. Here you'll find lots of options available and you just have to find the form option. So it is not available here, so let's see, commands not in the ribbon. It is sorted serially over here, so let's go to F. Okay, it is available over here, form, and you just have to add this option, and directly it is not adding the over here. It's showing command need to be added to custom group. To create a group, pick a tab in the first list and then new group. Okay, so we have to open new tab. I want to create this tab over here in the data. Okay, new tab. Okay, you can add this form over here. Now just click add. You can rename this ribbon to, I'll choose this option and name is a data entry. Okay, click OK and then click OK. Okay, you can see here, you can find here in the new tab there is a form option available, but it's not going to work like that. You have to make the list of the data to be entered over here. So let's make the header file first. Okay, I want to enter a long data like I'm making over here. Serial number, name, contact number, address, country, other data like salary, expense, saving. We can use the formula over here also. If you want to add other data, then you can add. I'm just adding this much data over here. Okay, I'll use the formula over here. I will subtract the salary and expense to make the saving over here. This is just a formula, you can use other options. Now let's select this and go to new tab and click form. Okay, you can see all the options are available over here, and in the saving you'll find there is no editable options because this is going to be entered directly when we enter the salary over there and the expense. Okay, let's enter the data and see what happens. Okay, enter serial number 1. Okay, it is directly entering. Okay, serial number 1, name, I'm entering my name. Okay, you can use tab for the next option. Contact number, phone number, address, you can enter your country name, salary, expense, I'll put 20,000 and then see tab and enter new. Okay, here you can see the data. Close it. You can see here the data is entered successfully with this form method, and this is very easy to enter. You can enter other data like this. I'll enter other data. Salary something like this, and expense. This is for just for example. Click new. Okay, it is entering the new data. Okay, if you want to edit this, then you just have to go the find previous, find next, likewise, and you can go and edit this. If I'll enter this Nepal 400 something like this, then you see the data has changed successfully. Likewise, you can change the other datas, or if you want to find any data by searching, then you can go the criteria option and you can enter any of the available data. So I want to find by the country name and find next. Here you can see the data is successfully searched. Likewise, you can use this data in the form to enter long data. Okay, that's it for today, guys. I hope you'll learn something useful from this video. If you have any confusion, then you can leave the comment below. We'll try to make other videos like this in future. See you in the next video. Bye bye.